How to change button font size on Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the button font size of the button into your Wix website. The process is going to be very easy and very simple. We're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to see the site's dashboard. Once we are here, we are going basically to select one of the websites that we have here as much as shown in here. For example, we are going to select the first one. Click on select and edit site. Once you have here the dashboard of the website, we are going to make sure that we have either the home page or the specific, as you can see, page in here, or the setup one. So in my case, I can see here the home page. And also I have the setup one, but it didn't show up yet. It is going to be no problem in here. So we are going to click on the button design site or edit site. It could be one of the two pronunciations in here. So we are going to click on it and then we are going to head over this page. So we are going to face up the Wix website editor. Now, on the Wix site editor, you're going to see every item that you have added into your website. So from these items, we have text, we have a lot of elements. So for example, in today's video, we're going to focus on the button or the type of the button and also the specific contents of the button, which is going to be the font or the text that is going to be highlighted on the button. Now, how we can add a button basically, we're going to head over the left side of the screen and click on add elements. Now, when you click on add elements, you're going to see a list of elements and we have a lot of elements that we can add. From these elements, we have text, images, buttons, strips, and etc. We're going to select basically button. So we are going to have here a subcategory for buttons, like payment buttons and different type of buttons. So we can go ahead and select one of the buttons and then we're going to either click on it or drag and drop it to the specific section that we want it to add on it. So, for example, I'm going to add this button. So I'm going to have it in here and it is going to be in there, as you can see on the line of the buttons that we have. Now, I'm going to customize that button so it is going to be different in the color from this one. So we are going to click on design and then we are going basically here to click on customize design. Now we are going to click on background fill and we are going to choose another color. For example, I'm going to make it this, for example, this cold blue or this water blue. So now how we can modify or adjust the font size of it. So we are going to click on design also and from here, we're going to click on customize design after we have selected the type of the button. Now, as you can see, we have the option for the text on the regular or the hover click. So on the hover, that means that you're going to put your hand into the button and that is going to apply some effect. So if I go to the regular, we're going to have also the hover. So now we're going to click on the regular and then we're going to click on text. So we are going to have the option to show or hide the text and also modify the style and the font. So for example, you can go ahead and use whatever font that you want. And for the font size, you can go ahead and put it, for example, bold and change the font size as much as you want. So you can go ahead and make it a little bit smaller, bigger, or gigantic, as you can see in here. So also you can go ahead and select text color and change it to something else. So for example, we are going to make it here red to make it a little bit distinguishable. So here, as you can see, I can go ahead and control the font size. And if I want, I can go ahead and have something else added, which is going to be the, as you can see here, the font. And also the type of the paragraph. So I can go ahead and make it, as you can see, heading, heading 2, heading 3, 6, whatever you want. And then you have a lot of customization that you can have. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.